From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at Ethereum and EOS. And Ethereum, as you can see, fell again during the trading session. Looks like we're going to break through 1,000, then eventually test this 900 level. Longer term, I think 5 to 400 is probably the target. Really nothing on this chart suggesting that you should be a buyer of Ethereum crypto in general. Even if we break 1,200, 1,600 would be very difficult to overcome. Just nothing good. EOS, struggling with $1. This one could be going to zero. We'll have to wait and see. It's a market that I don't mind shorting with a little bit of tether on an offshore exchange with a lot of leverage, because I just don't see the recovery. It's really not until we break above 150 then I think things change, but that's not going to happen without Ethereum recovering and by extension Bitcoin.